Welcome to Learn Karaoke.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the river. If the water's getting cold, you might start to shiver. Row, row, row your boat gently to the shore. If you see a tiger there, don't forget to roar. Row, row, row your boat gently in the bay. If you see a jellyfish, wave and shout hooray. Row, row, row your boat gently through the sea. If you see a big blue whale, sing out yippee. Row, row, row your boat gently down the brook. If you see a shiny fish, take a closer look. Row, row, row your boat underneath the moon. If you see an owl there, sing a little tune. Row, row, row your boat past the grassy banks. If you see a herd of cows, give a moo of thanks.
If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this.